Have you ever thought about using a drone to inspect your roof? It's an intriguing idea, isn't it? Drones, these compact flying marvels, are increasingly being used for roof inspections. But is it a wise choice for everyone? Let's delve deeper into this intriguing subject. Firstly, let's explore the benefits of using a drone for roof inspections. Drones offer a safe way to inspect your roof without the risk of climbing ladders or walking on potentially unstable surfaces. They're efficient, covering large areas quickly and capturing high-resolution images for detailed analysis. Plus, drones can easily reach difficult areas, like steep pitches or high peaks, that might be challenging or dangerous to access by foot. These advantages make drones a tempting option for roof inspections. However, there are also some drawbacks to consider. Flying a drone requires technical knowledge and finesse, which not everyone possesses. Additionally, there can be potential legal issues, as certain areas have restrictions on drone usage. And let's not forget the cost. Buying a drone and maintaining it is not cheap. There's the initial purchase, ongoing maintenance, and potential repair costs to consider. These cons might make you think twice about using a drone for this task. So, should you use a drone to inspect your roof? We've weighed the pros, such as safety and convenience, against the cons, like cost and the need for technical skills. In the end, the decision is yours to make, but hopefully this discussion has provided you with some useful insights to consider.